Okay guys, so we're out here working on the junk S10 and working on the front mounts this time. Not good. Here's the mount. Now I knew the one side was rotted out. I didn't know the whole bottom side. And the main mount, I didn't know that was rotted out that bad. So I gotta fix that, and I gotta fix this. I think I got an idea on how to fix this with minimal effort here. I'm going to take a piece of heavy walled pipe, and I'm gonna stick it in there, and then I think I'm gonna drill all the way through the floor up into the cab, and I'll just run a bolt all the way down through the pipe, through a factory rubber mount, and then down into the factory frame mount there. I think that's going to be better off than trying to re-weld sections of this mount. This mount is shot, I think, on all sides. So the back one, you know, had some solidness around it. This is completely gone. So I think I'm going to start cutting this away. I'll get a pipe figured out. The floor is angled there, so I'll have to figure that in, but once I figure that out, I'll bring you back here. I'm just gonna use, I do have the hole right there. It's still there where the factory bolt used to be. It came out actually, if you believe it or not. The thing came out with an impact. I don't know how, it was just laying in there after I needle scaled it, but she popped off after, and the hole right here is for, I think I'm going to use that. I'm going to use that to drill up into the cab. I got to go in the cab there and pull the floor mat away so I don't drill through that. I'll just put the bolt under the floor mat. You'll never even know it. So I'm going to get to doing that, and I'll show you what I come up with. Okay, so here's my pipe that I just cut. You can see it's cut at an angle because the floorboard is angled. And I'm going to stick this inside there and sandwich it between the floorboard, the original mount, and the rubber mounts of the cab. If you don't understand what I'm saying, I'll show it to you here. You'll understand it once you see it in place. So I'm going to clearance the mount, or cut the old mount off, all the junk stuff, so I can get this in there, drill my hole, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I got it into place there, and you can see how that's gonna work out. I just used one of the good body mounts from the back, and there's the piece of pipe in there. I wanted it to go a little further that way, but it wouldn't go. I think there's something crusty inside there, and it wouldn't let it do it. But anyway, it's on there anyway, and there's another piece here that's connected to the front mount. So I'm gonna call that good. I've got it bolted down. There's the bolt. Maybe I'll lower this thing, show you what it looks like in the cab. But once the mat's down, you'll never even know there's a bolt up in there. So, pretty happy with the way this turned out. The other side, I'm just going to leave. It looks solid enough. If this thing gives me a year of service, I'll get another couple body mounts, and we'll replace them. But right now, I'm going to call all the body mounts and everything good for now. I'm going to move on to rocker rust repair, cab corner. Try to get this thing moving. I got another day down on this thing just doing these body mounts. So found another rust towards the back. I had to weld that up too. So hopefully we're on to rust repair now. Okay, so we're in the cab there. There's the bolt that comes up through the floor there. I probably need a bigger washer, like a big body washer or something there. So I'll see what I can find at the hardware store. That's all I got right now, but it's really easy to pop out. It ain't gonna be like a normal body bolt. It's gonna be pretty easy to replace. So I'll just pop it out, put a bigger washer in there, and we'll call it good. So I guess that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I know I'm sick of rust dropping on me every single day. I got rust and sand in my hair. But I think most of the rust has been knocked off this thing now with all the needle scaling and hammering and everything I've done to this. So should be going downhill from here now. So next video hopefully will be on the rockers and cab corners on this thing. But hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.